Hey CFA, welcome to your WOD Explained for Friday, February 21st. We have a strength day of sorts, so it's a modified strength day. It's a strength con, as it's been called at our place. Nowhere else. No one else would ever call it a strength con, but that's how we roll, right? Here we go. Warm up. 3 rounds of extensive warm up. 8 ring rows. 8 hand release push-ups, 8 box jump to squat, which we've done once before. You set your 24 or 20-inch box. You're going to jump up and pull your knees up fast so you land on top of the box in a deep squat with a nice flat neutral spine back. And then you're going to pause there for half a second and stand up. Step down, jump, pull your feet up fast, land in that deep squat, and then stand up. Those are your box jumps to squats. So 8 of them, and then 8 wall balls, 20-inch men, 14 women. That's the warm-up. Then we're going to spend 8 minutes on the skill review of man makers. We've not done these yet. You may have seen the competitive group guys doing them. You're going to take a pair of dumbbells. You're going to be in a push-up position, push-up, row, stand, squat, clean them, and then drive overhead with like a thruster. You're going to love it. So the coach is going to make sure you understand how to do it. There's a video, of course, on our website with the workout explaining it, so you can check it out. Then after you all get an idea of how to do it, here's the WOD, all right? With a continuously running clock, you are going to, at 3, 2, 1, go, take the first 10 minutes to find a 1 RM bench press for that day. For tomorrow, what is your best 1 rep bench press? 10 minutes to figure that out. You got to get warmed up and then cycle your way up so that you're thoroughly warmed up and ready to go for that heavy weight. And that 10 minutes means you might have to be sharing the bench with somebody else, so you got to move quickly to make sure you figure that out. You're going to record that weight. Then at 10:01, you immediately switch over to deadlift. You got to take your barbell, get it to the floor. You have 10 minutes to find a 1 RM deadlift, okay? And then as soon as your time is up on that, based on the weight that you got your 1 RM deadlift, you're going to calculate out 25% of your 1 RM deadlift. So say, let's work with numbers that I can do math-wise. You did 100 pounds for your max deadlift. You're going to take that weight and figure out 25%, which is 25 pounds, and then go to the dumbbell rack and get yourself a pair of 12-pound dumbbells, right? So that equals 24, close enough to 25 pounds. That's the way you're going to use for the workout. So if it was 200 pounds, you would use 50 and then get a pair of 25-pound dumbbells and so far and so forth. So whatever the math is. Your 1 rep deadlift, figure out 25% of that. Whatever that total weight is, come to the closest that you can of the total weight with 2 dumbbells. That's what you're going to use for the WOD. So you have a 10-minute AMRAP with those dumbbells of doing 5 man makers. Like I said, 25% of your deadlift, 1 RM in dumbbells. So 5 man makers followed by the C group is going to do 1 rope climb to the top and down. The performance group is going to do 3 down ups. And then the fitness group is going to do 5 ring rows plus 10 air squats. So by the C group, that means for this day, anyone who can get up to the top and back down. If you can't, but you can lower yourself and pull yourself back up doing 3 reps of the down ups, do that. Anyone who would struggle doing that, you can do 5 ring rows, 10 air squats. That's 1 round. 5 man makers, either 1 rope climb, 3 down ups, or 5 ring rows plus 10 air squats. And you're going to do as many rounds of that as you can possibly get done in 10 minutes. Wow, right? That is your WOD explained. It probably will require a little bit more explanation from your coaches, but you'll get it. You'll get the idea. And we're going to finish off the week with a great workout. I'll see you guys anyway. I'll be up this weekend. Looking forward to it. And yeah, see you later. Sometimes, what are you going to do, right? Just sometimes.